What's up, guys? It's me back again. Now, as many of you have seen today, it's been raining the whole day. It's been really bad outside, and I was sleeping basically all day until all this passed. But I think it's gonna rain in a few hours more. I don't know. I'm not sure, but it was really bad today outside. And as you many guys, have you guys seen, I guess, my Instagram story, I officially became a bald head. Well, not really a bald head, but still, I cut my hair because I was getting tired. Yes, right now I'm walking down to the 174 to the metro. I don't know if I'm gonna go to probably to the city or to the GameStop to get some video games. This lady I been in my house is boring after working. All the games that I have already, some of them I already passed them in. Some of them have me a little bit boring, I would say. And yeah, let's see what's up. So, guys, I didn't ended up going to the city, but I went to GameStop, got a video game that I pay a lot of money for it, get something to eat, something to drink, and I'm heading back home right now because I think it's gonna rain back again. So it's better to go back home because I don't want to take a quick shower out here. So yeah, I'll show you the game ones that I get home, and yeah, let's go. So yes, guys, I'm back home. I ate something, changed my shirt, and yeah, this is the game that I tell you guys about. Big line, 15, 16 bucks on it, but yeah, it's gonna be good. And I'm in the bathroom, really weird, but yeah. So I'm just gonna play this. It's already dark outside, I think, and yeah, make sure to comment down below, give it a thumbs up if you like this video because it was really boring and short. And no man, subscribe to the channel, help me a little bit. I'm out of subscribers, I need more subscribers. And peace out, guys. Peace. And yeah.